SunZia is an iconic project for so many reasons. This is the largest onshore project that we have delivered in America, and a project like SunZia taps into every area of expertise that Vestas has. I don't think it's possible to overstate the importance of partnership. These projects are very complicated. They're long-term in nature. There's so much planning and work that goes into making them come to life. But you have to work through challenges together, and that is exactly what we've been able to do with the Pattern team. Hunter, when you think about the scale of SunZia, what does it say to you about two leading companies coming together in partnership to deliver something at this scale?
Vestas makes the highest quality, well-matched product. We knew the scale of what we were trying to accomplish, and Vestas leaned in to make sure that we're going to have the people that we need to support this massive infrastructure. I knew that we could get this done together, and we are.
Electrification of the energy sources across the globe is something that's going to happen, and the speed with which we can make it happen depends primarily on technology. We're really focusing on trying to make our products fit the market as precisely as we can. We have to be able to get things out there quickly. We have to make sure that they're reliable. We have to be able to connect things in a way that allows all of these dispersed energy sources to actually work together.
It starts as, do you have a product? And the answer is yes.
The 163 was very specifically designed from a logistics perspective to maximize how much we could get that product into the market. The blade was designed very specifically so that it could fit on our standard rail transport systems and get to 90% of the market that we needed to get to overall. You can look at a lot of things that we've done over the last few years. There's plenty of good examples that have been out in the market around how we're testing very innovative ideas. It's all showing how we're taking kind of what is the minimum standard requirement for designing and testing a product and going well beyond what that looks like.
Here at SunZia, one of the big initiatives that we put forth is pre-commissioning on the ground. We developed a ground commissioning trailer that essentially can pull right up next to a nacelle. Before it's erected, we connect a series of cables and fiber optics to that nacelle and can then perform the work of pre-commissioning as if the nacelle was erected on the tower. That actually transfers to any wind project that we're going to be executing. So it allows for resources and manpower planning to streamline itself instead of being heavily landed on the tail end of the project.
Knowing that the market can do not just one project like this, but now we're seeing other big giga projects starting to become real, tangible projects, right? Knowing that we can build gigawatt projects on a regular basis, yeah, it's super exciting.
There's so much opportunity for us to be able to deliver low-cost, affordable energy across the globe. It's rewarding to know that we're in a position that we can help meet that need.
Pulling up to N3B 107. Safety harness secured. Opening up the latch now.
We have the experts now that can say, I have executed a project that was in excess of a gigawatt. We have the experts who have said, I have been able to create a logistics plan to deliver projects over all of these consecutive weeks. I think all of those elements come together in a way that the company will benefit from for years.
We actually need a growing energy supply. Wind is a unique and difficult product, and it is a valued product in meeting those needs.
Delivering successfully a project like SunZia really helps Vestas stand out as an OEM that knows what we're doing and that is capable to deliver projects at this scale. We need gas, we need solar, we need batteries, and we need wind, and we need a lot of wind. And our projects are a perfect piece of this puzzle to meet this growing demand. I am so proud of the massive team of people across all of Vestas globally that have brought this project to a successful completion.